In this tutorial, you'll learn how to send and receive WhatsApp messages, replies, and reactions in Yak Chat. When you send a message for the first time to a WhatsApp recipient, or if more than 24 hours have elapsed since the last message from the recipient, outside the so-called customer service window, you must use an approved WhatsApp template message. If you haven't created or approved templates yet, check out our tutorial to learn how to set them up. To send a template message, open New Chat in Yak Chat and add your recipient. In the message toolbar, select WhatsApp from the channel drop-down menu. Then click Send a template to view your approved templates. Choose the template you want to use, fill in any required variables, and click Send. If your customer has messaged you within the last 24 hours, you can reply with either a template or a regular message. Open the existing WhatsApp conversation in Yak Chat and check the timer to see how much time is left in the customer service window. Type your message and, optionally, attach a supported file like a PDF document, JPEG image, or MP4 video. When you're ready, click Send to deliver the message immediately. Yak Chat also supports replying to individual messages and reacting with emojis. To reply, select the message, choose Reply, type your response, and click Send. Your reply will include the original quoted message for context. To react to a message, select the message and choose an emoji reaction, like a thumbs up. The recipient will see your reaction, and you'll see theirs in real time. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Yak Chat tutorials.